remember for our first question, when we're multiplying two proper fractions, okay, where the top numerator, okay, top number is less than the denominator, okay, then we're multiplying two proper fractions. And the best thing about multiplying, okay, is all we have to do simply is multiply the top numbers. So we got 2 times 4, which is going to be 8, right? And then we multiply the bottom numbers, 3 times 5, which is going to be 15, right? And then from here, we would see if we could reduce. Okay, so could we divide the top and the bottom by the same number? And in this case, we can't, so this will be our final answer that we give. Okay? So now for dividing though, just a little bit more challenging. Okay, if we took the same numbers and we took 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5, right? This is the point where we need to use KCF method, right? Anytime we are dividing is when we use KCF, okay? We never use KCF when we're multiplying, just dividing, okay? So what that means is we've got to keep the first one, change the sign, and we've got to flip the fraction. So we keep this first fraction, we got 2 over 3. We change the division sign to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction 5 over 4, right? And now we solve it the exact same way as we did above. We multiply 2 times 5 to give us 10, right? And we multiply 3 times 4 to give us 12. But from here, as we notice, we can simplify or reduce this fraction by dividing the top and the bottom by 2 to give us 5 over 6. And then from here, we can't reduce anymore, so this would be our final answer. Okay, if we were given, okay, for example, a whole number where we got 6 divided by 1 over 4, right? The reminder is here that the denominator on the 6 is a 1. That's the first step. That's important. And then we would solve this the same way. It'd be KCF. So we would keep the first one, right? Keep the 6 over 1. We would change the division to multiplication, and we would flip the 1 over 4 to get 4 over 1. And that gives us 24 over 1, and that would be our final answer.